What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy T1000 back again. Looks like we have some news going on today. So let's take a look at Coindesk.com. Alright. So, news 1. Today is May 15th, 2019. Let's check out this article from Amkar Godboll. Cool name. Alright, so he's saying Bitcoin price rally stalls as Ether XRP shine. And he has got a point. So let's check it out. Alternative cryptocurrencies are flying high while Bitcoin is having a breather above 8,000. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. You know, you guys don't want it. You want it to moon, but you don't want it to moon to the point where you can't, if you're not already, positioned well, then, how are you going to moon? So let's check it out. Notably, Ether hit a 7-month high of 235s and looks to extend further gains towards 256. September 22nd high. In the near term, XRP meanwhile has confirmed a bull breakout. Okay, with hourly chart indicators diverging in favor of the bears, the daily relative Strength Index, RSI, reporting overbought conditions. Bitcoin is looking increasingly vulnerable for a pullback. Currently placed above 7,200. Not mad at that. We're not mad at that. That's okay, guys. That's okay. Nothing wrong with that. Bitcoin could challenge Tuesday's high of 83.35 and possibly break towards 8,500. The lower pattern has seen on the RSI is invalidated. While with Bitcoin price rallies showing signs of exhaustion above 8,000, investors have begun diverting money into relatively cheap altcoins. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, I wouldn't necessarily do that. I mean, this isn't financial advice. Let's just get this straight. But this is my own personal opinion. So, you got Bitcoin is holding right now at 81. Ethereum, they're killing it. 237. Litecoin, Hundo, XRP. Man, I wish XRP hits a Hundo. We're going to see some whole lot of changes. Okay. So check it out. What I think we're going to go down here. I think we're going to be, and that's only because I'm agreeing with what he's saying here. To be quite honest, if Bitcoin doesn't keep going up, people are going to say, okay, hold on a minute. XRP is at 40 cents. It doubled, so maybe it double again. So let me pump 10,000 into XRP, and maybe within the next 2 weeks it's going to be 20. Now with Bitcoin, you dump 10K in it, you're only going to get 1.1 Bitcoin basically, and I highly doubt that it's going to be 16,000 in a few weeks. So I'm thinking XRP, Stellar, some of those other ADA, I'd load up on that personally. Now you guys can do whatever you want, because like I said, this isn't financial advice. I'm just giving my opinion and how I feel, so whatever. So let's check out what else he's talking about. Bitcoin, yep, bullish exhaustion, yeah, we know that. Performance of top 10. Wow, okay. 24 hours, you got Ether. Look at XRP. But, we got to understand that XRP price is pumped because Coinbase just opened up the floodgates for New York State. So, you know, you guys have to take that into consideration. I mean, don't get me wrong, XRP is the shiznit. I mean, I like XRP a lot. I think they're going to be, I'm hoping that prediction comes true, the 500 plus per XRP, even 250. Hey, it doesn't matter to me. So what I'm trying to say is that if that is the case, you can't really, you know, take this fully. You know what I'm saying? Now, Stellar, Cardano, they really haven't came out with any major news lately, so I think this is authentic. Bcash. Bcash. Honestly, you guys want to hear my take on Bcash? I like Bcash. It's cool, but there's only room for one, guys. Let's just be honest here. You know, like I really don't like that, because it's like, okay, you tell someone, hey man, check out this Bitcoin's 8,000, you know, whatever. Then they go on there, hey, go to coinmarketcap.com, check out the prices, the info. And they're like, okay, you got Bitcoin. Well, what is this Bitcoin Cash? Then you got Bitcoin Diamond. You got Bitcoin SV. Then you got Bitcoin BBC. And you got Bitcoin blah, blah, blah. Bit this, bit that. It's like, dude, come on, man. We're getting overly exhausted. So, honestly, I think Bitcoin's going to advance more within the next 2 to 5 years. And there's not a need for Bitcoin Cash. Honestly, like, what do we need Bitcoin Cash for? You know, once Bitcoin is fully 120% finished and complete, and, you know, you can do all this stuff, you know, what are we going to need Bcash for? And then not only that, but the people behind it, you know, the halving or the fork, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of Bcash. I'm sorry, guys. If it makes you money, that's fine. If it goes up, that's fine. But for me, I'm not a big fan of them. Best performers in the past 24 hours. Now, remember, guys, this is May 15th, 2019. So, between May 15th, 2019... Oh, man, Quantum. Uh-oh. Yikes. Made it a bad idea. Okay, so you can see that, there's Ether, a little bit of resistance there, Ether came out with some good news, so I'm bullish on Ethereum. I need to load up my bags on that, personally. But like I said, you guys can do whatever you want. This isn't financial advice, you know, and yes. So let me get into Ethereum since we're talking about Ether. I seen something big on Ether here. Where was that at? No, it's Bcash. What is that? Ether news. Where'd that Ether news go? Where did Ether news go? Okay. Basically, what I read, I'll just find it. Let me just do this quick here. Okay. So this is pretty big. This is bullish, man. Really bullish. So you got the world's 5th largest electric company using Ethereum DApp. Like, are you serious right now? That's insane. This has made me really bullish on Ether. Really, really bullish that I didn't pick it up when it was $80. But, you know, you live and you learn. So I would say this is huge. Okay. So, you have this article by Michael Laville. This is from May 15th, 2019, today. So you got the world's 5th largest electric company has announced a partnership with Ethereum app iExec that will involve the company utilizing the decentralized application in a project test. That is insane. That's huge. I mean, what more can I say? It's huge. So you guys remember when Ether, when all these companies were building their chain on Ether, right? Had all these companies building on top of Ethereum's blockchain. And what did that do to the price? It went from, what, 50 cents, $1 back when I first seen it, to $1,300. So that's a insane gain. Crazy gain right there. I mean, that's insanity. So you have, speaking with an interview with CoinDesk, EDF blockchain engineer Gilles Deleuze explained that Ethereum's network has potential to improve the utility of the simulator. In a wider perspective, development of distributed computing is a credible scenario for the future, and blockchain may be a nice lever in its scenario. Let's explore it. So let's explore it. What's he talking about? iExec is one of the oldest applications, launched in 2016, a way to explore cloud computing on blockchains. So, my guess is that Ethereum is going to have a major bull run. Because what's going to happen, guys? Now remember this. Remember Pepsi just did a test a few weeks ago? I mean, the bulls are stampeding right now. They're running out. So I'm guessing they're gonna build on top of that sorry about that. The iExec's blockchain, and once they do that, it's gonna launch that up a lot. So I mean, and then once this happens too, once Ethereum 2.0. It's going to be insane. Insane. I want to say they were going to be the #1 transactions per second. So, shout out to Vitalik. Send me some Ether if you can. You're a smart guy. He's not going to hurt you. But, yeah, Vitalik, that's my homie. I want to give him a call, actually. But he's a cool guy. So, that is it for today, guys. And signing off is T1000, and I'm out.